If AutoCAD is showing error code 85002, don't worry. This is usually a sign-in issue linked to Autodesk Identity Manager, and in this video I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually means AutoCAD cannot make a secure connection to Autodesk's servers to verify your license, and that can happen because the login process is stuck, the local sign-in cache is corrupted, or the Identity Manager version is outdated. So if you want to get back into AutoCAD without wasting time, stay with me through the full fix. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD and software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when a new troubleshooting guide goes live. Let's start with the first fix, which is to close the Autodesk Identity Manager process completely. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. Now look for Autodesk Identity Manager, or you may see it listed as ADSK Identity Manager.exe. If you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. This is important because if the process is stuck or hanging in the background, AutoCAD can keep looping on the sign-in screen and trigger error 85002 over and over again. Once that's done, we're going to clear the cached login file that stores your old session information. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Then copy and paste this path. %local app data, %\autodesk /web services, and press Enter. Inside that folder, look for a file called LoginState.xml. If you see it, delete it. This file keeps track of your previous sign-in state, and if it becomes corrupted, AutoCAD can think you're already signed in when it actually can't complete the handshake with Autodesk. Deleting it forces AutoCAD and Autodesk Identity Manager to rebuild a fresh login state the next time you launch the software. After that, close the folder and try launching AutoCAD again. In some cases, this alone is enough to bring back the login window and fix the problem. If the error still appears, the next step is to update Autodesk Identity Manager. This matters a lot, especially if you're on an older setup, because Autodesk changes security and login requirements from time to time, and an outdated version may no longer be compatible. To update it, go to the Autodesk website and download the latest Autodesk Identity Manager version that matches your system. If you're using AutoCAD 2024 or newer, Autodesk typically expects the current standard version to be installed. Run the installer, follow the prompts, and let it complete the update. After the installation finishes, restart your computer so the new version can load properly before you open AutoCAD again. Now let's check another very common cause, Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime. AutoCAD and Autodesk sign-in screens rely on WebView 2 to display the login interface correctly. If WebView 2 is damaged or missing components, the sign-in window may fail, freeze, or keep returning error 85002. To repair it, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then find Microsoft Edge WebView 2, Runtime in the list, click it, choose Modify, and then select Repair. Wait for the repair process to finish, then restart your PC if prompted. This step often fixes the login page itself, especially when the window opens blank or behaves strangely. Next, we'll do a clean sign out and sign in cycle. Open Autodesk Access or Autodesk Desktop app if that's what you have installed. Sign out of your Autodesk account completely. After that, restart your computer. This restart is important because it clears any lingering background authentication sessions that might still be causing the sign-in failure. Once the PC boots back up, sign in to Autodesk Access again before launching AutoCAD. This refreshes your login credentials and helps ensure the identity service starts in a clean state. Now open AutoCAD and test it again. In many cases, the combination of ending the Identity Manager task, deleting LoginState.xml, repairing WebView 2, and updating the identity component will fully resolve error code 85002. If AutoCAD opens normally, that means the secure sign-in process has been restored and the license verification can complete again. If you want to make sure the issue stays fixed, I recommend doing these steps in the same order every time. First, kill the stuck process, then clear the login cache, then update Identity Manager, then repair WebView 2, and finally sign out and back in through Autodesk Access. That order that gives you the best chance of removing both the corrupted local files and the outdated background components that trigger the error. And that's how to fix AutoCAD error code 85002. If this video helped you get back into AutoCAD, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials and troubleshooting guides. If you're still having issues, leave a comment below with the version of AutoCAD you're using and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.